Hey everyone, welcome back to Free for Low Income channel. Today, I'll show you how to import contacts from a SIM card to an iPhone. If you've just switched to iPhone or need to transfer contacts from a SIM, I've got you covered. Let's jump right in. First, make sure your SIM card is inserted into your iPhone. Once it's in, unlock your phone and head to the Settings app. In Settings, scroll down until you see Contacts and tap on it. This is where we can access the option to import contacts from your SIM card. Once you're in Contact Settings, you'll see an option that says Import SIM Contacts. Go ahead and tap on it. Now, if you have multiple accounts set up, like iCloud or other email accounts, it'll ask you where you want to save these contacts. I recommend choosing iCloud so your contacts are automatically backed up and synced across all your Apple devices. After you select the destination, your iPhone will start copying the contacts from your SIM card. This usually only takes a few seconds, but it might be a bit longer if you have many contacts. Once the import is complete, you can open the Contacts app to make sure everything imported correctly. Just scroll through, and you should see all your contacts there. And that's it! In just a few taps, you've successfully imported all your contacts from your SIM card to your iPhone. Easy, right? Tip: choose iCloud to keep contacts backed up. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to Free for Low Income channel. See you in the next video.